The South Pacific. The name is familiar, but 230 years after Captain Cook's epic voyages, this vast ocean remains little known. In the endless blue, isolated islands harbor life that's rarely seen. And these are some of the most pristine waters of any ocean. The turquoise seas and picture postcard islands look like heaven on earth. But all is not what it seems. The South Pacific also has an unforgiving nature. Islands born from volcanic seas erupt with unique and extreme ways of life. People succeeded here against the odds. The South Pacific is a tale of the unexpected. A forgotten world where isolation has created the bizarre and surprising. This is the story of life in an ocean of islands.